Live now.
Morning, everybody. Good evening, even. But in Ipanema, in Brazil, probably good morning. We're going to make a caipirinha, mainly because Buddy Sam wanted one. So this is for you, Sam. Today, again, we're being non-alcoholic. We're being good. I'm taking out the Cachaca, and I'm using White Cane Spirit. All right. So this is an alcohol-free. It's kind of like a rum derivative. But,
hi, Tom Lawson. Tom Lawson in the house.
So, it's super simple. I'm sorry about the bleeps. You need a lime and a knife. And you're just going to cut this lime into loads of little tiny chunks.
Oh.
Teach
us how to cut a lime properly.
Well, there you go. I'm not using the GoPro, so you can forget about that. And get it out of the way.
Technical glitch.
Yeah, we're having issues.
Don't go behind the curtain. Oh, Tom Connolly's here. Hi,
Right,
Tom. Right,
Have you got your
bar people.
lime? Have you got your lime? Have you got your knife?
Right, teach people how to cut a lime properly.
Chop off your little ends. You don't want them.
Nobody
They're sour.
seems to know.
Then, you want to, after you've obviously cut them in half, we're going to do some wedges.
Hi, Federica Buonavino.
Oh, hi, Federica. I wish we were in Nicaragua. Right, because we're doing these nice and small.
I'm going to close up like Fanny Craddock.
There's a little lime, all chopped up nice.
Oh, that's a nice ring, Daniel. Tell us the story of your ring.
It's a bottle opener.
Oh, such
Whoops.
a pro.
Sorry about that.
Outrage.
Then cover all this with a couple of spoons of sugar. It doesn't matter if it's white, it doesn't matter if it's brown, as long as it's coarse. Because now what we're going to do is muddle all that together. So you just squeeze in the limes and you're twisting it around so the sugar gets into the skin of the limes and releases all the oils as well.
Delicious.
Right.
Lawrence and Buffo is watching.
Konnichiwa!
Lawrence says, hello, mate.
Hello, mate.
Hi.
I miss everybody.
We'd invite you round, but
Have a virtual party.
Oh, Raphael Santi is watching.
Hi, Rafi.
Hey, Rafi.
Okay, so now we've got all this out of the way. You need some crushed ice. I haven't got ice that's crushed, so I've got ice and I crushed it. And the way that you do that is you get your ice, you put it in a dishcloth or something, you get a rolling pin and you smack it. But I'm not going to do that for ages and ages because it's a horrible noise. Here's some ice I prepared earlier.
Get some aggression out. Oh, Victoria Finch. Hey, Vicky. And hey, Vivian Shaw.
Oh, salut Vivienne, ça va? Bon.
What was that? Bless you.
Belge, the Belge.
What are you doing now, Daniel?
So now I'm just filling up the glass cake with crushed ice.
Delicious.
And all I'm going to do now, I'm tempted not to use a measure, but I'll be responsible. Where'd it go? Here. A big slug. So, depending on the size of your glass, basically you're filling it up now. So 60 ml, something like that. There's your 50.
Oh, it looks delicious. So what is that then?
Slurpy slurp. So this is LYRE'S White Cane Spirit. It's an alcohol-free spirit, and I'm using it to substitute. Oh, it smells fantastic. To substitute the cachaça. So if you're making an alcoholic version, you just need cachaça. If you want to make a caipirinha, you can do this with vodka. The most important part of this drink now, this is where a lot of people go wrong, is you want to get all the sugar and the limes from the bottom of the glass. Pull it all through, yeah?
So just for everyone who's just joining, Daniel Shell is making a delicious caipirinha. With LYRE'S, which is very nice.
A bit bored of London now. We've gone to Brazil for the evening with our classic Brazilian cocktail. Caipirinha.
Hey, Julia Mortimer in the house! Whoop whoop!
Hey,
Jules!
So, this then, little peasants drink, caipirinha. Truly delicious, super simple. Cut up a lime, cover it in sugar, crushed ice, and a big slug of cachaça, or vodka, or LYRE'S White Cane Spirit. If like us, the proof is in the pudding.
Hey, Floyd. Oh, look, people are saying hello to each other on here. Daniel Shell, bringing people together.
I'm so sorry we can't reopen Lowlife, but we're doing the very best we can.
Tom Arnold Santana, which is the best name ever, says, hey, Dan, not sure if you remember me. We worked briefly together at Revolution in Clapham. And look at that face. He does remember you. Hey, Tom.
Anyway, listen, cheers, everybody. Be safe, stay indoors, don't drink too much, and just be cool and be happy.
And where's my drink? Yeah,
This is
sorry.
yours.
Yay! Hello. Thank you. Woo! Happy days. Got anything else to say to your public? Hi, Amy. Hi, Oliver.
I haven't really. If you want me to make some cocktails,
Oh my God, that's really nice.
Just send me a message on Facebook. I'm going to put this up on YouTube as well. I'm going to have to make it again because the camera went funny. But cheers for watching. Enjoy yourselves. Big up yourself.
Oh, that's nice. I don't know how to switch this off, but...
Just end live video.
Oh, doesn't say.
End live video.
Ring IT.
Have you done it?
No.